morning, everyone. Yeah, Wednesday, and also bike ride. Right, so since I'm gonna be working tomorrow, the last 2 days, I don't have the bike, but today I am now biking. Alright, so this is the airport parkway, and then it has also a designated bike lane. Right, so for cycling vlog today, so I don't know where am I going, but yes, let me take you a ride. Okay, so let me take you a ride, and then he gave me a time, right? So he gave me a time to cross. Yeah, that was a humble move, yeah, right? So since mostly people here that has a car, they really give what's this called? They really give way to the cyclist, right? So, and then one good thing is also a good afternoon, right? So sunny afternoon, so I just asked Alexa what is the weather today, and then yes, Alexa said that it has a good weather indeed, right? So, and then oh, what was that? And then lots of cars also stopping by right here to have some relax, right, from their road trip. And then also a nice weather, right? So okay, I wanna take you a glimpse of myself right now. Okay, so alright, so here we go, guys. So hi everyone from the Philippines, right? So I'm here in the USA working as a kitchen aid / dining aid, right? But you know, it's not that simple, right? So it's because some other people here are not so, you know that kind of attitude, right? So but life, yes, but life is still go on, right? Life is still go on. So I'm gonna take you to these places that I didn't have been, right? So show you some bike routes, bikeways, tunnels, parks, what we call is Cheyenne Greenway, which is dedicated to the all cyclists, right? So, and then that is the route, that is the bike route which is gonna be taken, right? So okay, so enjoy more, okay? Just because I only have one battery, and then I'm gonna have to change. There's gonna be no bat. I'm gonna have to change onto my phone, okay? Stay tuned. So here we've got the Cheyenne Greenway bikeway. Okay, bike route. And then yes, they got some have some police right there stopping by. So I'm on a full cycling jersey today, right, for this bike day. So kind of a plan, but semi-plan, right? So yeah, I just needed some time to have a bike, to get a bike vlog today. So it's just because, you know, the YouTube algorithm is too slow, and then I really needed that. So I really needed the subscriptions to all of you. So that is why I am doing this right now. And then also get the monetization of the YouTube. I get the monetization. So yeah, 800 plus subscribers, but my watch hours is still not reaching up into 4,000 watch hours, right? So I really needed that. I really needed that monetization, okay, as soon as possible, so that I can, you know, yeah, salary here in USA is not just good as what expected, right? As Filipinos living in USA, is because dollar is too small for the peso, right? So if you have a salary, of 14 hours per day, so that would be the equivalent for the first 2 weeks, for the first week of the for the half of the month, right? Half of the month. So it's just because my salary is only $600, but in peso that will be cost thousands of money, right? So for me it's not enough. For me it's not enough $600, right? So I needed to find a second job. It's because I have to pay rent. I have to pay for my rent $500 per month, which is what is called I have to pay $500 per month. So which is, you know, that kind of a suck, right? So you know, I have to sacrifice. So that is why I needed to have some more, right? I needed to have some more. I need to have one more job for me to take the, so that I can buy for my own. I can buy for my own food also. So I can buy for my own food. So since I'm on a diet, it's because I'm a diabetic person, right? So that is why my food is also calculated, right? So I'm not the kind of a person that always calculate everything, right? But you know, $20 here in USA is big, right? So compared to us Filipinos, $20 is so small, right? Okay, so we're here in this bike route, in which I also see some cyclists here, yeah, biking. So let me show you a quick glimpse of this place. Okay, so we've got the big right over here, so that you can see, yeah, this is a big wide open space right here, in which, yeah, this needs to be trimmed, right? But you know, they need some truck to trim this one. Yeah, so I saw some fellow cyclists right over there at the front of me, so I'm gonna have to stay quiet for a while. So this is the bike route, right? So I don't know where am I heading right now. So up on there, and that big tree. So there's a small creek. That's where I'm gonna be going. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Here is a small bridge, but there's a creek over here. So let's go. Gonna have to right over here. So check it out. So bike way over here. So this is the bike route, which is still called the Schwinn Greenway, and which is the Schwinn Greenway, right? So dedicated road for cyclists, right? So and also you can walk by your dog also. Yeah, I saw some person walking with his dog. So and there's also bunch of sports cars right here. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, nice to my eyes because I also love sports cars, right? Or sure. Yeah, let's go. It's an Australian Shepherd, right? An Aussie Shepherd. Yeah, and then still there's a bike coming toward us, right? Nod your head or smile or wave just to give respect and also say hi to the fellow cyclist, right? So just like what we did in Philippines, right? When we see other cyclists, we have to say hi or wave kind of hi, right? So yes. Oops, what's that? Oh, something is in my ear. Right, so I try to, right, so you have to, it's because I know the rules also. Yeah, and this is what is a cycling nation, right? So, just like me today, right? So he's got a band on his right feet. I don't know what means for that. Yeah. Also, yeah. So this is the bike way. Not where is it heading for? Just gonna have to follow him where he's going, but there's also a tunnel in here, right? So that we can explore, warning, area ahead may be flooded or contain hazards due to inclement weather. Use at your own risk. So also this road right here is it's so dim. So okay, it's so dim, so I can see clearly because I am using a sunglasses. Right, so here it goes. Right, so let's go gonna get over to the other outside of the tunnel. Right, so this is the road for all the cyclists here. All right. So where is he heading? Okay, so you know, like that, and then yeah, so the road over here, and then we are out. So as you can see, the road, the highway, yes, and then I don't know where this is heading, right? So, if I'm not mistaken, this is going to the park which I am headed, right? So, yeah, he's stopping by. Okay. He's checking his bike. He's just adjusting what's this called, the saddle, right, of his bike. So that's why I am now the lead. Okay, so okay, I have to stop this for a while. Alright, so yeah, when I am, you know, I have to stop this in there. I'm gonna go back, right? Okay, we are right back. Okay, so just for a minute, right? So what is this? Okay, there's a trail, so let's try some trail. Okay, yeah, just because this is what is meant to be. Right, so there's a trail. Okay, let's go check it out. Alright, so yep, here it goes. Yeah, we got some trail right over here. Yeah, and it's a shortcut, right? Yeah, that's a shortcut trail. So I don't know what is that all about, but you know, this could be good also to have a relaxing day off. And then here we goes with the park right over there. Yeah. Okay, you don't have to feed the squirrels, you know. They can find their own foods. Yeah. So this is the park. Yeah, and there's some ducks, okay. Yeah. And then where we could be headed, okay, so a small park. Oh, a water station. Okay. I'm glad I can fill my water here. Alright, so okay. How to refill this one? Okay, so I don't know how to refill this. Okay. This is hard for me to refill, right? So yeah. So this is my phone right over here at the back, so I just need to put this phone into my top tube bag so that it will not be, you know, right? So okay, so here I don't know how to use it up that I don't know how to use the water on, so at least, right? So what's in the dumpster? Okay, when I see a dumpster, yeah, okay. Alright, so it's gonna be right over here, right? Okay, gonna be a Russian accent, right? So yes, it's gonna be what is this? Okay, there's still a park over there, so let's go gonna check it out. Okay, so what I remember is this is the bike route. Okay, it's a bike route, right? As you can see that yellow sign. So let's go check this out. Oops, okay. Yeah. Here is the road. Okay. What is this? Okay. Okay. Some other cars wanted to, you know, oops, that's a little too stand. Alright, so yeah, there's a car. Yep, and then yeah, it's not good. The sound is not good. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Okay, there we are. There he is. Alright. Yeah, a little too, you know. I was just finding my way back. Okay. I'm gonna be head back, right? Okay. Because I am in the wrong lane. Alright. But this is the park. Right? So sprinkling all over the park. Oops, sorry. Ooh, hot chick. That's her son. Hey, that's the guy that I saw. Yeah, listening music by loudspeaker. Right, so still the bike way, still the greenway, sharing greenway, bike routes to all cyclists. Right? Yeah, here it goes. So, wonder. Stop. Alright, and then yeah, as you can see, a big bikeway to all cyclists, right? So joggers, so this is just like the other state in USA, right? As you can see, New York, California. Right? California is big. They got Los Angeles, San Diego. Oh my God! Right, so a nice afternoon to have a bike. Right, so you can't go wrong. Yep. A nice bike route to have a cardio exercise, right? Burn down the calories that I ate today in lunch. Yes, and I think I saw that store before, right? And I just don't know where this headed. There's a tunnel. FNBO. Oh yes. Ah, okay. I don't know where's that guy. This is the Dill Range. I saw some McDonald's. Okay. So I think I'm gonna have to stop by in Lopping Jog to buy some energy drink. Right? Yes. Just fill up. yeah, zero sugar. Right, so let's go.
Is everything today?
Yeah.
349, please. Green button, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Alright, so yeah, for the quick errand, so I'm gonna have to, okay, stop by for a part to drink. Alright, so stay tuned. So alright, we're back again, and then no, I don't know what place is this, so I've been driving so far, okay, but you know, it's enjoying to see this place. Yeah, there's a bike lane over there, so I guess I'm gonna have to go there. So, and then once the park, okay, so let's get over and take some rest, right? So I guess I'm gonna have to go there and then check it out, right? So yeah, is this still recording? I don't know. Yeah, still recording, but low on battery, so I think I'm gonna have to end this just for today.
Meanwhile,
Yes, I'm in this a park right over here. So as you can see, yeah, got some, you know, yeah, it's loading. Okay, so and it's also gonna be stop by in the Lofen Jug to buy some energy drink. So it's a zero sugar. Yeah, and it's also, yeah, got to take some rest. So yeah, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so I don't know what what place is this, but yeah, I still can find my way home. Right, so yes, fortunately there are a bunch of houses here, and then yeah, a bunch of houses, and also I saw some a person walking with his dog. I think it's a girl, a woman, yeah. okay, with her dog. So yeah, and then yes, thoughts. Yeah, my thoughts of the place is really good. Yeah, so many bike routes, right? There's so many bike routes, so they call it greenway. Greenway means is for all the bicycles, right? To all the bike commuters. So they have their own, what is this called? They have their own, right? So, and this also, I'm gonna have to put that, okay, right here. So yes, they have their own. And also, and very really good, and it's also they have their own bike way. They call it bike way, right? So bike routes, yeah. And then also one good thing also is updated the map for the bike routes, right? So they just updated the map, so they have a designated bike way at each different, each different places has their own bikeway, right? So you have to follow the bikeway. You have to follow the bikeway where it going, because this place is real, because they have to maintain, also they have to maintain the individuals of the people right over here. So because mostly people doesn't have a car, so they just only have a bike. But sometimes people have a car, also has a bike, right? So also has a bike. So biking is just for leisure, for their day off, right? So exercising for day off, so just like me. But bike bike is also biking is also part of my commuting, right? Going to work, going to grocery. So that is what means, right? That's what means to be a cyclist, right? Cycling is not just for, what is this called, cycling is not just for sports, right? So it's also for daily uses, right? So mountain bike, either you are using mountain bike, road bike, cruiser bike, beach bike, right? So anything road bike, yeah, anything road bike. So you can use it. You can use it by daily. BMX, right? So yeah, mostly teenagers using BMX bikes for commuting. Yeah, under 18, they have their own money, right? I just saw some teenagers going to the McDonald's, right, buying foods for their own. Yeah, that's so right. That's so nice to see that teenagers know only they have their own rights, right? And yeah, they have their own freedom at that age, right? Under 18, right? So I think 14, 15, 16 or 17, yeah, they have their own freedom and rights, right? They can buy their own, but they don't have a, what is this called? They don't have their debit card or credit card, debit card to use, right? So they parents gave some allowance to their kids to buy for their own, right? So that is so nice to see. Yeah. And then also my action camera is low bat, so I only bring one. It's because the other battery is still on charging, but I have to take it off into the charge because I don't want to overcharge it, right? So yes, so I'm just gonna have to take a sip and then finish this energy drink, okay? Gonna have to finish this energy drink, okay, so that I can have to, yeah, go back to my bike, okay? So then, yeah, after it, I'm gonna go get back home, okay? So stay tuned, okay?
A few moments later.
So alright, okay, and then so it's time to wrap it up. Okay, so yeah, dual booth camera. So if we get the dual booth camera over here, it is also, yeah, it is also great, right? So as you can see, my face in the other side and then the road on the other side. So this is one of the features of the Motorola Moto G Play. So they got some cool features for the camera, right? Which is also good for vlogging, right? So if you want to have this, just check it out on Shopee. If it's gonna be also available there in Philippines, you can grab it now. Yeah, Motorola Moto G Play phone from the Motorola. And then, yep, just enjoy, okay? Alright, so it's time to wrap it up for today's vlog. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and hope you enjoy. Alright, yeah, enjoy the Motorola Moto G Play dual boot system video. Alright, thank you.